Alright, what's up everybody? This is a little mock-up of what the engine's gonna look like with the carb, the intake, the ignition. Looks pretty sweet. The cylinders installed, the heads installed. All I gotta do is open up the holes on the VForce reeds in order to match up the intake mounting holes. Let's take everything off. I got the screws that I needed. 2 of these. This is for the bottom bolts. These are for the upper bolts. So here, here, and here. Turns out to be pretty even, pretty squared away. Cool. So I'm gonna put some RTV on this. I'm gonna use Permatex Ultra Black. It's what I usually use. Put this on here. Hand tight. Okay. So what I'm going to do is probably just make the holes a little bit bigger. On all 4. So we'll give some space on every side, and hopefully that'll even out the mating surface. Let's just try it out. It's a little bit bigger now. Hopefully this works. Nice. This works. Alright, if you're curious about the drill bit I used a 7.5 drill bit, metric style, to open up these holes. And it was just about right. If I go any smaller than 7.5, it might not work. So yeah, use 7.5. Alright, so it's been about an hour. I'm gonna torque these down to 6 foot-pounds or 72 inch-pounds. I think it's pretty good. Can't really get my fat part into the housing, so it's pretty tight. Let's just try to use this Allen and see if I could torque it down a little bit more. Okay, no, that's okay. This is dangerous. I don't want to strip him or anything. I think this will do. All right. Now I am going to RTV the gaskets for the reed now. And I'm gonna RTV this top part. And the VForce. Hand tight, and let it wait for an hour. Alright, now that it's been over an hour, I'm going to torque these down to 6 foot-pounds. For this one, my Allen bit can't reach, so I'm just going to just feel it out. Alright, here goes. Okay. That was easy. Clamp here. Another clamp.